आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ. I'm at home. I'm at home. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. ठीक से बात करो. Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो. Carry on. Carry on. नहा लो. Take a bath. Take a bath. हाथ धो लो. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना. Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ. Have a seat. Have a seat. जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. इसे संभालो. Handle it. Handle it. इसे पकड़ो. Hold it. Hold it. सावधान रहो. Be careful. Be careful. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. जरा रुको. Just wait. Just wait. मेरे पास 2 कार हैं. I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars. मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I can't wait. I can't wait. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need it. I need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है. You need to go. You need to go. वह आ रहा है. He is coming. He is coming. वह जा रहा है. He is going. He is going. वे लोग आएंगे. They will come. They will come. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? यह मेरा फर्ज है. It is my duty. It is my duty. मैं अभी गया हूँ. I am gone now. I am gone now. मुझसे मिलो. Meet me. Meet me. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है. I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. मैं आपसे कल मिलता हूँ. I'll meet you tomorrow. I'll meet you tomorrow. आपने सारी हदें पार कर दी. You have crossed all limits. You have crossed all limits. क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. इसे अपने पास रखो. Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. इसे बदल लो. Change it. Change it. इसे नीचे रखो. Keep it down. Keep it down. सच बोलो. Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूं. I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है. I have made a decision. I have made a decision. मैं आसपास था. I was around. I was around. अपना मूड ठीक करो. Set your mood. Set your mood. लाइट चली गई. There is a power cut. There is a power cut. पंखा बंद कर दो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. कमरा साफ करो. Clean the room. Clean the room. पानी ले आओ. Bring water. Bring water. मेरे लिए चाय बना दो. Make tea for me. Make tea for me. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. ये अजीब है. This is strange. This is strange. मैं आपको जानता हूं. I know you. I know you. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? मैं आपको अच्छी तरह जानता हूं. I know you very well. I know you very well. यह मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. This is a big thing for me. This is a big thing for me. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. Truth is always bitter. Truth is always bitter. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. इसे किसने रखा? Who kept it? Who kept it? भरोसा रखो. Rest assured. Rest assured. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. जैसी आपकी मर्जी. As you wish. As you wish. ऊपर फेंको. Throw up. Throw up. वो कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? वह मुस्कुराई. She smiled. She smiled. रोना मत. Don't cry. Don't cry. दफा हो जाओ. Get lost. Get lost. इस बारे में सोचो. Think about it. Think about it. फिर से सोचो. Think again. Think again. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. 2 बार सोचो. Think twice. Think twice. बार बार सोचो. Think again and again. Think again and again. कोई खास बात नहीं. Nothing special. Nothing special. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. साथ ही साथ. As well as. As well as. क्या बात है? What's the matter? What's the matter? समझ लो. Mind it. Mind it. हमेशा की तरह. As usual. As usual. इसे व्यवस्थित करें. Organize it. Organize it. अंदर ही रहना. Stay inside. Stay inside. बाहर मत जाना. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. बाहर ही रहना. Stay outside. Stay outside. अंदर मत आना. Don't come inside. Don't come inside. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? हम सभी. All of us. All of us. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. Nothing much. Nothing much. मैंने कहा. I said. I said. किसने कहा? Who said? Who said? इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. Erase it. इसे तय करो. Decide it. Decide it. दाएं देखो. Look right. Look right. शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. जैसे ही. As soon as. इसे साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. बस इतना ही. That's it. That's it. इसे दोहराएं. Repeat it. Repeat it. इसे मत दोहराओ. Don't repeat it. Don't repeat it. इसे बार बार मत दोहराओ. Don't repeat it again and again. Don't repeat it again and again. ऐसे दिन. Such days. Such days. ऐसे लोग. Such people. Such people. सोने जाओ. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. इसे चखो. Taste it. Taste it. इसे लिख लो. Write it down. Write it down. छोड़ो मुझे. Leave me. Leave me. उसे डांटो. Scold him. Scold him. इसे काटो. Cut it. Cut it. जाओ और मिलो. Go and meet. Go and meet. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. नीचे आओ. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. कौन गया? Who went? Who went? कौन गया है? Who has gone? Who has gone? अकेले जाओ. Go alone. Go alone. अच्छा विचार. गुड आइडिया, गुड आइडिया। बिल्कुल नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल। यह अच्छा है, इट्स नाइस, इट्स नाइस। यह एक अच्छा विचार है, इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया, इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया। वो ले आओ, ब्रिंग दैट, ब्रिंग दैट। खुश रहो, बी हैप्पी, बी हैप्पी। कल से आओ, कम फ्रॉम टुमारो, कम फ्रॉम टुमारो। बर्बाद मत करो, डोंट वेस्ट, डोंट वेस्ट। कुछ नया सीखो, लर्न समथिंग न्यू, लर्न समथिंग न्यू। एक बार और, वंस मोर, वंस मोर। कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल, नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। फिर से पढ़ो, रीड अगेन, रीड अगेन। मेरी मदद करो, हेल्प मी, हेल्प मी। मैं जा रहा हूँ, आई एम लीविंग, आई एम लीविंग। बाहर मत खेलो, डोंट प्ले आउटसाइड, डोंट प्ले आउटसाइड। बारिश हो रही है, इट्स रेनिंग, इट्स रेनिंग। तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियो। ये वीडियो आपको थोड़ी सी भी पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा, और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। आज के लिए बस इतना ही, कल मिलते हैं नए अंदाज में किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए गुड बाय।